back in place.
When we first found this bulldozer, it looked completely destroyed. We found it abandoned, rusted, and shrouded in fog.
We weren't expecting to find something this big deep in the forest. An abandoned Caterpillar D9.
No one knows how long this machine has been sitting here, but today we're going to find out if it can still be saved.
We're looking at significant corrosion here.
And the blade is completely overgrown.
This moment will tell us everything. If the engine is completely seized, this project could be impossible.
This engine hasn't moved in years, but maybe it still has a chance. This engine hasn't run in years, but we're about to find out if it can be repaired.
Moving a machine this heavy through the forest is risky. Now the real challenge begins. Restoring this abandoned bulldozer back to life. Before we can repair anything, we need to remove years of dirt and rust.
Now we can finally see the real condition of this bulldozer. Under all this rust and dirt, we might still find a strong machine. Removing the blade is the first step in fully dismantling this machine.
These hydraulic parts will need a full rebuild.
Piece by piece, the bulldozer is slowly coming back to life. Many parts are badly worn, but some might still be salvageable.
The bulldozer is now fully dismantled, and the rebuilding process will begin next.
Piece by piece, the bulldozer is starting to come back to life. Now that every part has been cleaned and repaired, and the rebuilding process begins. The bulldozer is now completely dismantled and ready for rebuilding.
One of the heaviest parts of the bulldozer is finally back in place.
After years of rust, the bulldozer is finally getting a new life.
After years of silence, the Caterpillar D9 finally starts again. From abandoned rust to a fully restored machine, and the Caterpillar D9 lives again.
After a complete restoration, it is finally time to test the Caterpillar D9 in the field.
Now comes the most important moment of the entire restoration.
It is hard to believe this is the same machine we found abandoned.